Hi guys, it's Mia. Today we are going to make another smoothie. This is sort of like part 2 to the almond milk video. So we've made our almond milk and we're gonna use that in a delicious raspberry banana kale smoothie. And just so you know, this is also going to be part of the 11-day detox program. What we have here, we're gonna use about 1.5 cups of almond milk. So with all of these smoothies for one person, that's about what I do, is 1.5 cups per person. So here we go. Look at that gorgeous almond milk. It's so rich and delicious. This is great to make for breakfast, or you could even have it, for lunch as a meal replacement. So we have our almond milk, our beautiful raspberries, which are rich in antioxidants. And I love raspberries out of all of the berries because they have the lowest amount of sugar and the lowest glycemic index. So I just like them. We have some flax meal. Let's get our kale in there. 3 leaves of lacinato or dinosaur kale. You can leave the stems on. Now, I don't really think I want to use the entire banana. Bananas are great. They are rich in potassium, which personally I really love. It's great for your heart. It's great like if you have like an eye twitch or a little bit of an arrhythmia, you need a lot of potassium. It's great for muscles. So I'm gonna use only half. I have here today some pomegranate powder, which is very rich in anthocyanins, which prevents cancers and your cells from oxidizing into those nasty cancer cells. So I'm gonna throw the pomegranate powder in. We have 2 forms of protein here. These are complete proteins. We have our chia seeds and our hemp seeds. Excellent. Together, we have about 20 grams of protein. That's pretty cool in this smoothie. So in they go. I also thought I would add some cinnamon. Now I like cinnamon because it helps your blood sugar not spike up too fast. So in anything sweet, I do try and add some cinnamon. A little bit of salt. And then I have this that I thought I would throw in here. This is turmeric root, and I'm just gonna cut it open just to show you how very beautiful it is. It is so bright orange and magnificent, and turmeric is now all the rage. So I thought we would throw this in there for some immune boosting, anti-inflammatory properties, and there we have it. Now, we're gonna throw it onto our Vitamix. Ready? Here we go, a little bit loud. Okay, you certainly could have added some ice cubes. I did not add ice cubes to this, but my raspberries were frozen, so I thought that would be good enough. 1 for me, and 1 for my cameraman. Let's see if he likes it. Interesting. I don't know what the prominent flavor is. Give me a second. I taste cinnamon for sure. It's tasty. I definitely taste the turmeric, which has sort of like a puckery, almost lemony sort of flavor. This is very, very nice. I like it. Very good, very nutritious. Thank you, hope you enjoy.